iHORN IoT sensor T3 series includes multifunction gateway, smoke sensor, gas leakage sensor, temperature and humidity sensor, water sensor, scenario button, door and window sensor, and PI motion sensor. Through iHORN Smart Life app, you can immediately start the smart scene linking between devices to create a safe and comfortable living experience. Step 1. Install the iHORN Smart Life app. You can download the app by scanning the QR code on the screen or finding the iHORN Smart Life app from the App Store. After the app installed, you can create a new account when you open the app. Step 2. Add the gateway. Make sure your mobile is connected to the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. After the gateway is powered on, waiting for the gateway to enter the configuration mode and the blue light will flash quickly.
Welcome to use iHORN Gateway. Please scan the QR code in our manual to download our app. Please connect your Wi-Fi network.
Open the app, click the plus sign to enter the Add Device page and select Multifunction Gateway. Enter the password of the current Wi-Fi network to add it. According to the illustration, confirm that the LED light is flashing. Step 3. Add sub-devices. The sub-device can be added in 3 steps. First, select the sub-device type. Second, open the back cover, pull out the power supply insulator to power on the device. Third, each device has a button to enter into the network, long press 5 seconds to enter the enrolling mode. At this time, the device indicator or screen signal icon will flash quickly. The app will display the device icon when added successfully. Step 4. Set the scene. Once the device is added, you can set smart scenes in the app. Sensors are what connect the user to the system. It can make the home smart, lively, and interesting. When we leave our home, the sensors can help us keep an eye on it, and when we return home, they allow us to enjoy a customized smart life. Now let us demonstrate as below. Home Smart Scene Night Light function, PI motion sensor plus multifunction gateway. First, click on the app Smart plus select when device status changes. And then click on the PI motion sensor, PIR state, select motion detector. Second, in the page of setup task, click Run the device, Gateway, Night light, Light on, Save and click Next. Third, you can also customize the effective time. Click on the effective period, select Night, Save, select Yes. You can experience the night light without touching the dark to turn on the light. Home security scene, braking alarm function, door and window sensor plus multifunction gateway. First, open the interface of Gateway in app. Click on the lock sign to enter the arm state. Second, trigger the door and window sensor, gateway wheel alarm, and app remote notification. And then you will get the home situation immediately.